Hey everybody, today I have a plan with me for you using a printable kit that I had got off of an Etsy shop. This is my first time doing a printable in a while. My last experiences with them really wasn't too good, but I decided I was going to give it a try again and see how it goes. So I am using one of my newer happy planners that I picked up a couple of weeks ago, and I will post the link to the shop that I got this one from. This one is called Let It Snow, and I figured this would be perfect to give it a try. So I'm using an undated happy planner. So I am actually just going to take the first week of January. This is going to be my business planner. So I'm really not too worried about if I duplicate a couple of kits or whatever. I did notice it comes with some side washi, some full boxes, some appointment labels, flags, you know, even smaller appointment labels, date covers. So I am just going to wing this and see how it goes. I just printed and cut. So let's hope all my cuts came out good. So I'm just going to line this up with the edge here. And I do have a happy planner punch, so I can punch out my rings here, so I'm not too worried about that. And oh, I really like that. I like how that looks so far. So I'm just gonna do both sides here and get these out of their way. I'm gonna start at the bottom because it seems to line up better. I hope I'm still in shot for you guys. I know it's been a while since I've been doing videos. You know, a lot has been going on with holidays, and you know, I was sick for a while there. I still have a slight cold, so that's why I haven't done a video in the last week or so for you guys. My daughter was sick and she decided to share it with me. So alright, so now I have my side washi down, and I'm going to put down some of these date covers, and the way I see it is it even covers the little color up at the top here. So sorry if I'm not talking, I'm trying to concentrate and make sure I get this lined up right. And that fits perfect. So far, I am loving this kit. I don't know if everything in this kit I will use because I usually keep my planners very basic. I just like a little bit of decoration. I don't go all out with it. So, and this is also a rewind, so there's not like a lot of information that needs to go in this week, but I am looking forward to printing this kit again and using it. So, and I love these date strips here. These are so adorable, and they cover perfect. So I have been thinking about making some of my kits printables. I will be working on some ideas on that this week, and hopefully get some new kits into the shop for you. So That is my goal. That is my New Year's resolution. Is to focus more on our shop and, you know, get that going. It has just, it really has been crazy since my mom passed away, so just kind of slowly getting back into the swing of things. And it also has a week cover here, which is really nice. So there we go. So far, I'm loving it. So let's see. This would have been, ooh, what week would that have been? Let me check. See if I can put some plans in there that I did. So that would actually have been the first week exactly. So this would have been January 1st, which we did nothing. So I'm actually going to use this cute full box here and just put it over on this side. Oh, that looks so cute. And I might use an appointment label just to mark that that was New Year's Day. And I think I'm going to use this light blue and just stick it right here in the center. See if they have an icon that we can use. There's not a lot of icons, so I probably would maybe pull some out of my stash in these colors if I had any made up, but I'm just going to put an asterisk right there. That Tuesday was, my kids went back to school, but unfortunately it was a snow day, so I'm actually going to, I don't know if I want to put like all my boxes like on the side, but that would work. So I really didn't do a lot that day other than clean up in the craft room. So I'm just going to use one of the checklists because we were cleaning and organizing the craft room back to where it needed to be. So, and let's see. Wednesday, I did some designing and some more cleaning and restocked some supplies. So we'll put that there. Do I want to use, yeah, I want to use another full box. And I kind of like these trees. And I'm really liking this kit. So I would say definitely check out this shop. I had a build due on this day. So I'm going to put this down here. And I'm going to use another full box. And I think I'm going to use this house. We had, if I remember correctly, yeah, that week we were like snowed in. So I'm just going to use another appointment label because there wasn't a lot going on this day either. We didn't do a lot. So I'm going to put that there. And I want to say we kind of stayed home and just kind of watched TV. So, and that way I know that it was a kind of a busy day for just us to stay home. That Friday, I did more inventory up in the craft room. So, getting ready for the new year. So we were doing a lot of inventory, seeing what we needed to restock for supplies. And I am going to use another full box over here. So there's that. And what else did we do? Sorry about my phone going off. So that was Friday. Saturday was kind of I did some researching, and I want to use another full half box here for that. But first, let me put down another full box. And I'm going to use this little snowman because he's just so cute. And I did some researching. So I don't know if I want to... How's that go? That'll work. Okay. So I'm just going to put this right here. I was doing some researching, and see, I still have room to write down my to-do list. So this here, let's see. I'm going to use another asterisk. So this kit is just simply adorable. I love it. Sunday, we didn't do anything in the office, really. And I'm just showing you basic way of putting these down. You could, you know, alter these from side to side. You can put your full boxes wherever you want. You know, it's up to you. So, let's see. I did some purchase designing this day, so put those in there. And I don't have any more asterisks, and actually, if I think I did do a video that day, and I'll use this little computer for designing. And then I am going to use this week sticker here, and I think I'm going to put this on closest to this one. And this is the only problem I see, is this area seems to be a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to lay this one right next to her. And I'm also going to put a... I'm not going to put a flag here because this is this week's. So now I'm just going to go in, and I am going to... Oh, that's not the pen I was looking for. I'm going to use my Papermate Inkjoy 0.5 and write in my dates. So that was the first, the second, the third. So there we go. And that blue works perfect. I'm just going to add maybe a little bit of this deco. And we're going to use this little house up here. These are so cute. I love this set. And again, this is Let It Snow. And I think it's the perfect little kit. She had some other great ones on there that were absolutely adorable. But I wanted this one. And I'm going to put the snowflake right here. I do wish there was like some more icons, but this works for me. And again, her shop is the Design Sticker Store, and she does have an Etsy shop. I mean, she's also on Instagram. I will post the link to her shop down below for you. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me today. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye.